Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
DNS translates domain names into IP addresses your console or PC can contact. A slow or distant DNS can add tens of milliseconds to your lookup time. That delay can increase game lobby load times and sometimes add microstutter. Choosing a nearby, responsive resolver often reduces DNS lookup to under 20 ms. These steps work for PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch systems. We will test public and custom resolvers and measure ping differences before and after on your network. Start by measuring your current DNS lookup time with simple commands or free apps. On PC, use enslookup or dig to query a stable domain and note the query time. On consoles, run a network test to see DNS resolution time in milliseconds. Try public resolvers like 8, 8, 8, 8, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 9, 9, 9, 9 to compare lookup latency. Pick the resolver with consistently lowest average lookup under 50 ms for gaming. Record results and reset to change DNS, access your router settings or device network menu with admin credentials. On router, set primary and secondary resolver IPs, for example 1, 1, 1, 1 and 8, 8, 8, 8. On PC, use static DNS under IP4 properties to input the same IP addresses. Avoid toggling too frequently. Allow 24 hours to confirm improvements across peak times. Combine a fast DNS with a wired connection and quality of service for best results. If you see worse performance, revert settings and test another resolver within your region.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.